Well guys, got it hooked up. Got the iPilot going. It's freaking awesome. Haven't set up the spot lock thing yet. I'm gonna mount it. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna mount it at. I haven't mounted it yet. Just wanted to get out here and test everything out. So far, so good. Water's pretty clear. There was somebody fishing here earlier, so hopefully I didn't scare them away. But yeah, man, everything's working. Got the battery temporary right there. I want to mount it under this deck. That's the plan. We just cruising. Building that house over there. Yeah, beautiful day out. So far, I'm digging the iPilot, man. The Minn Kota Riptide, iPilot, Terrova, so many dang names. But man, it's awesome. I love it. Oh, mullet or some junk. It's a game changer, man. So quiet too, man. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Check the bell for notifications. I'm gonna keep cleaning this thing up and upgrading a lot of this stuff throughout the year. So thanks for watching. Y'all take it easy.